What's up, my riders? So today is going to be the hood exit exhaust finally, like we've talked about. I'm gonna go out and show you guys little snippets of what I'm doing during the whole process. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, like I told you guys, I made the exhaust modular. So that's a V-band clamp right there. That is the downpipe that goes up. And then this is the exhaust that I welded myself. Gonna take it off and then we're gonna flip the downpipe. Also, when I was going over a bump, I hit that really hard and now the bracket that I built, or hanger, doesn't work. And it's not holding it, so it's dragging on the ground. That's fun. All right, so we have the second O2 sensor that pretty much just gets tucked away down here because we won't need it. All right, so I just tucked it right in there. It's not going anywhere, and if it were to fall out, there's still a zip tie holding it up. Time to bring the exhaust down, and that part right here, cross members off, and then we can drop it. Drop that here. This hanger. Okay. Here it comes.
This butt crack.
In with the new. We undo this. Alright guys, so I thought this was gonna be cut and dry. I have the MQB swapped downpipe or whatever for this because I'm running MQB swap and it's going to be hitting the AC line, so I am going to have to be cutting and welding my downpipe that I have for the MQB platform slightly. Alright guys, next day we finally cut the perfect shape right in between the AC line, and this is also getting heat wrapped, so that won't matter too much. So the test fit is successful. Now we just need to go up, angling the pipe straight up. But that's literally what you have to do to get around it. I have some wiggle room because it's not on yet completely, but it's definitely getting heat wrapped. All right, I can't quite explain why it took all those cuts to go around the AC and then also be straight, because it kept an angle. It was going that way, but I finally got it straight up. Now we drop the hood and mark it, but she's helping. How to wrap exhaust. You just gotta make sure it stays like really. Time to drill the hole. Auto zone to get something to cover it because it doesn't look perfect. This is what it looks like. Start it. Alright, yeah, me and Danny weren't prepared for it to be this freaking loud. Lost wrap, left a little bit on the top, but bro, I literally thought my side exit was nuts. This is freaking. Doesn't rattle underneath though.
There we go.
Is it insanely loud?
No.
It like scared me. I'm like, bro, everyone's fucking looking at the development. Some lady literally looked directly at me when we were leaving the development and kept looking at me but smiling. She's like, likes it even though she didn't want me to do it.
Metal on your phone.
And I'd say I like it, but it's not gonna be a daily thing. I'm also gonna have a secondary exhaust, and now we're looking at something to like hide the cut. right, guys, so you'll have to let me know what you think of this setup. I think it sounds really good. I do admit that I'm not perfect, so when I cut it, there is like a little bit of hood extra, which is gonna happen regardless, especially when you like adjust your downpipe. If you take it off and then on, it has to be at the exact angle or it'll definitely change where it's going to hit and stuff. The wrap kept it cool, but next video I will do a part 2 like update on this. I'm going to get either a circular flange or sheet metal so that I can get my dad, he has like a tool that he can cut perfect, get just a little circular thing so that screw or rivet it on the hood so that it looks nice. And then I said I'm also getting a second hood here soon as well. And we're getting a new exhaust setup, so I'll be able to go back and forth from legal and
It's illegal.
If you enjoyed this, I am pretty sure I'm the first person to do this with the MK6.5 GLI with the MQB swap and a hood exit. So leave a like down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you. Make sure to be happy and stress less. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.